By the time you finish watching this video, hundreds of people are getting scammed through WhatsApp. Next, it might be you.
But wait. I'm not here to scare you, but I'm here to share a real story. A real story of Amin Mudassar, founder and CEO of Sigma, who recently witnessed a series of WhatsApp scams affecting 3 close friends. Their experiences show just how deceptive these scams can be and why it's crucial to stay alert. Amin Mudassar shared that in just 15 days, 3 friends of his were scammed in a similar, calculated way. Each friend received a WhatsApp call from an unknown number, someone who knew just enough about them to sound believable. By the end, their WhatsApp accounts were hijacked and over 5 lakh rupees were stolen from their contacts. Here's how these scams started. Each of Amin's friends was in different WhatsApp groups. Friend 1 was part of an online course group. They received a call about a free lecture and were asked to share a WhatsApp code to confirm their spot. Friend 2 was involved with NGO groups and received an invite to an All India NGOs meeting with the same request to share a code. Friend 3 was active in social work circles and was invited to a social workers meet. Again, they were asked to share a code. Each friend trusted these calls, thinking they were legitimate, and shared the code they received on WhatsApp. Once they shared this code, the scammer gained instant access to their WhatsApp accounts. The scammers quickly set up WhatsApp on their own devices, sending messages to every contact saved in these accounts. These messages sounded urgent and desperate, asking for money with excuses like, "I am at the hospital and I need 30,000 rupees urgently. I need 35,000 to make an emergency payment and have hit my transfer limit." Some friends and family, worried by the messages, immediately transferred the money without confirming if it was really their friend. The contacts of these 3 friends responded in various ways. Now, there are 3 types of these contacts: Type A contacts, Type B contacts, and Type C contacts. Type A contacts, generally acquaintances who ignored the messages, either too busy or suspicious enough not to respond. Type B contacts, close friends and relatives who quickly send the money without calling to confirm becoming the scam's victims. Type C contacts, those who were cautious, called to confirm first and realized it was a scam. They then warned others in their networks to prevent more people from getting tricked. Amin Mudassar shared several lessons from these experiences to help others protect themselves. Never share codes sent to your WhatsApp, especially after a call from an unknown number. Avoid calls from unknown numbers on WhatsApp, and if it's a genuine person, they will likely message instead. Be careful in WhatsApp groups. Scammers can join groups to learn about your interests and connections and use them against you. If you are an admin of any of the WhatsApp groups, regularly check the members list, removing suspicious numbers. If the person is genuine, they will contact you to rejoin. Finally, set up 2-factor authentication on WhatsApp, create a PIN and link a secure email to strengthen your account's security. Now, this message comes directly from Amin Mudassar to keep us informed and safe. By following these precautions, we can all stay one step ahead of scammers. Let's protect our WhatsApp accounts and our personal networks from these increasingly sophisticated scams. If you have come across any of these kind of scams, please do share your stories on WhatsApp numbers shared on the screen and tell us your stories, and let's be safe. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.